Okay, it's time for another video. This time I should be changing the temperature sensor in the Bosch oven. See you shortly. So just to start off with, this is the temperature controller which I'm going to fit into the Bosch oven. It's very simple. This is the sensor here, and this fits into the PCB. It should be quite a simple job. So just taking the back of the oven off, and this is what it looks like. This is the instrument I'm using to check for continuity. You can see there that I'm pointing actually to the speaker, the red thing. That allows me, if I touch the ends, which you can't see me doing, but that's okay. Now I'm going to use that to try and test the fan. Well, managed to get the thermocouple out from here. There it is. Now all I've got to do is to trace back and then fit the new one. There we go, new one in, and all ready to sort this cable out. So I've traced the cable all the way along here, and that's where it fits in. And the old one is here. Well, here we go. I've put the temperature sensor, the new one, back in the oven, placed the oven back in, switched it on, and now here's the test. We've got to turn that knob and see that will go out. There we go. Yeah, tripped. So unfortunately the temperature sensor was okay, and this hasn't solved the problem of the tripping of the Bosch oven. I have to look at something else now.